Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll walk you through how to connect your phone number to the WhatsApp Business API and create your very own WhatsApp chatbot in SendPulse step by step. To create your chatbot, you need to upgrade your SendPulse account to a paid plan. To do this, go to the Pricing Plans tab in the Chatbots section and select the plan that fits your business needs. Then you'll need to set up the phone number that will be linked to your WhatsApp account and used to send campaigns. You can use a new one or your existing WhatsApp business phone number. Just make sure it is not linked to your personal WhatsApp account. From there, head over to the Chatbots section in your SendPulse account. If this is your first chatbot, click Connect Channels. If you've set up chatbots before, go to Manage Bots and click Connect next to WhatsApp. If your phone number is already connected to another WhatsApp Business API provider, you'll need to migrate it first. We explain how to do this in a dedicated guide attached to this lesson. If this is your first time adding a phone number to the WhatsApp Business API, head over to the Connect Own Number tab and click Continue with Facebook. Log in using the Facebook account linked to your business portfolio. Once you're in, the WhatsApp chatbot connection wizard will appear. Click Continue to proceed. Select your business portfolio. If you don't have a WhatsApp business account and are not using the WhatsApp Business app, select Create a WhatsApp Business account to register a new phone number for your chatbot. Type in your business name, category, country, website, and time zone. Add your phone number and set the WhatsApp Business account name associated with your company. It will appear as your chatbot's name. Select a verification method. In the next pop-up window, enter the verification code you'll receive through SMS or phone call. Once confirmed, your account will be up and running. If you're already using the WhatsApp Business app, you don't have to start from scratch. You can link the same phone number to the WhatsApp Business API without losing access. That means you can manage customer interactions in SendPulse and on your phone side by side. Select your business portfolio, select Connect a WhatsApp Business app, and enter the phone number linked to your WhatsApp Business app. If your phone number meets Meta's requirements, select your business time zone and go over the details. After verification, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Then you'll receive a push notification in the WhatsApp Business app with a button to scan the code. Scan it to complete the connection. Once it goes through, you'll receive a confirmation message in the app and a pop-up notification in your browser. WhatsApp pricing applies to chatbot messages sent through the WhatsApp Business API. We covered this in detail in the first section of this course. Feel free to go back and review it whenever you need. Messages that you or your team send manually on the WhatsApp Business app are not billed. To test your chatbot, add your personal WhatsApp account as the owner. Simply send the code shown on the screen to the business phone number linked to your chatbot. Use the link or scan the QR code to open WhatsApp and send a message. If everything is set up correctly, you'll receive a welcome message and see the owner label next to your contact in the chatbot audience. With everything in place, you're ready to start building your chatbot. In the next section, we'll go through how to work in the Visual Builder and explore how to create your first chatbot flows from scratch, one step at a time.